So I'm just working through making some tooling for this thing now. So I have the small contact wheel setup put together, and what I've done here is put together my other spindle setup for other type wheels. So what this allows me to do is run a wheel that isn't bearing centric, where it has a bearing in the wheel. It's ran on a shaft with the pillar block bearings here, because some of the wheels come in this formation without the bearing, and others like this one come with a bearing. So it gives me the option where I'm not fixed to have that one or the other. I can use both, and that's pretty cool because that comes out. Still a little bit of work to do, but then essentially you would just slide in your other wheel and then throw your belt on, and shazam, you've done your wheel size change. So we're getting there. Modular is good.